Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So you will need to take your device, find a SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here at the right border of your phone. You will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card slot. Just put tool in the hole next to the slot will come out, and you have to pull it with your hands. And here you have to put your SD card and here your SIM card, and then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it requires PIN to unlock my device, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter PIN. And there's also notification SD card is connected, which is the proof that SD card is read too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.